Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Brex Review My Usage Experience. Brex Review My Usage Experience offers expense report review and approval services for businesses. Its main purpose is to streamline the expense reporting process, making it easier and more efficient for companies, particularly those with many employees. Key features likely include automated expense categorization, policy compliance checks, and reporting dashboards. Their website provides details on specific functionalities and pricing. Brex Review's positioning focuses on simplifying expense management and reducing administrative overhead. Benefits include improved accuracy, faster processing times, and better visibility into spending. They highlight ease of use and integration with existing accounting software. Their website emphasizes a transparent pricing structure with no hidden fees, though specific details are available on their site. Availability is likely dependent on business size and existing accounting software integration. Check their website for eligibility. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Brex Review My Usage Experience. Setting up the integration with our existing accounting software was surprisingly straightforward. It took less than an hour. The interface is clean and intuitive. I especially like the way it automatically categorized expenses, saving me a ton of time. The reporting features are excellent. I could easily generate custom reports to analyze our team's spending. Performance was consistently reliable. I never experienced any glitches or delays. I had a quick question about custom report generation and their support responded within 24 hours via email, very responsive. A standout feature for me was definitely the automatic policy compliance checks. It prevented several potential errors before they even reached approval. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would have been handy for on-the-go expense entry. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Brex Review. It significantly improved our expense management process and saved our team countless hours of tedious work. That's my overview of Brex Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.